What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rode PodMic USB. This is basically the upgraded version from the original Rode PodMic. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below to my review on the PodMic. I had this for like a few years now. I own two of them for both voiceover work, for podcasting, stuff like that, and I have been honestly loving it. But now with the upgraded version, you have USB-C and XLR, so you guys have a lot of flexibility of connecting it to multiple devices. So let's dive in, let's take a look at it. We're going to take a look at the specs, the features, the pros and cons, do multiple audio tests, and I'll give you guys my overall thoughts. Now, looking at what it all comes with, you got the USB-C to C cable, a fancy microphone to help with plosives, and the microphone itself in an all-black design. Looking at the ports, you have the USB-C port to connect directly to your device and an indicator light underneath that. You have the XLR port, a headphone port to monitor the audio, and the headphone volume control dial. The mic has a 5/8 and 3/8 thread to screw onto any mic stand or boom arm, and you of course have the external microphone to help with plosives. Alright, you guys, so now we're going to be doing a couple of audio tests. You guys are listening to the Rode PodMic USB right now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Everything is set to the default route. Everything is disabled basically. So the gain is set to 50 dB. That is the default, as well as the high pass filter is off. The oil exciter, the big bottom, is disabled. The compressor and the noise gate is also disabled. So this is the raw audio that you guys are listening to right now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I might be boosting up a little bit in post, but that is basically it. And we are using the Rode Unify software. So yes, it is compatible with the Rode Unify as well as the Central and the Connect. So that is what we're working with right now. Let me know, like I said, what you guys think down in the comments below. So this is really cool for streamers to be able to add the APHEX, very similar to the XDM100 and the XCM50 that I reviewed a few months back. I'll leave a link down in the description below as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. And now we're going to be doing an off access test. So this is what you guys are hearing right now if I'm talking directly in the microphone. This is how it sounds like if I'm talking at a 90-degree angle. This is how it sounds like if I'm talking at a 180-degree angle. And lastly, this is how it sounds like if I'm talking to a 90-degree angle as well. And now we're back to how it sounds like normally. And lastly, this is how it sounds like if you were to have it at a 45-degree angle. A lot of people like it this way because so that you won't be able to hear so much of the breathing from the person that is speaking. And now we're going to be doing a plosive test. So it does come with a microphone. So let's hear how it sounds like without it and hear how it sounds like with it and see if it does a big difference. So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. 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 So from my experience, the microphone actually does help when it comes to plosives. And the cool thing that I like about the microphone is that the microphone doesn't end all the way to the end of the microphone. So it actually ends around here. So there's a little bit of separation. And normally you want that because from a microphone or a pop filter, you normally want it to be a little bit, a couple inches away. And that usually helps a lot when it comes to plosives. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below if it actually did something or not. And lastly, you guys are hearing the audio with everything enabled. So I got a high pass filter of 60 Hz enabled, the oil exciter, the big bottom is enabled, as well as the noise gate and the compressor is enabled. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as far as the audio goes. Now, I will say that it's probably not perfect. It's not set exactly to my voice or anything like that. I did do some little bit of tweaking and stuff like that. But I like the fact that there's a lot of flexibility, and this is really good for streamers so that you could just do it straight off from the software in the Rode Unify. I like the fact that the Rode Unify is compatible with it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And just to let you guys know, I have been monitoring everything with the Rode NTH100s. It is hooked up to the headphones. I have the dial right here to increase my sensitivity and all that. And the cool thing is that with the Rode Unify and the Connect, you have the ability where this becomes a mute button. So if I were to be pressing this right now, and now pressing it again, you guys are able to hear me. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of the audio. If you guys like the raw version, if you guys like it with all of the APHEX, noise gate, compressor, oil exciter, big bottom, and high pass filter enabled. And I mean, if I need to do some little tweaking, some touch-ups to really match my voice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the overall audio. Alright, you guys, and lastly, you were hearing the audio coming directly from the PodMic USB, but this time it's through XLR, and we have it hooked up to a simple Focusrite Scarlett Solo audio interface. Now, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as far as the audio goes. Now, just to let you guys know that the headphone output does not work when you are using XLR. It only works when you're using USB. So that is one of the trade-offs when it comes to doing the XLR version, because none of the power is being routed from the microphone, so you have to be using an audio interface in order to hook up your headphones. microphone. As well, the other issue is that since it's using XLR and not USB, you lose all the functionality of the oil exciter, the big bottom, the high pass filter, the compressor, the noise gate. You don't get that when you're using the XLR. The only way you could get that back if you're using XLR, if you're using something like a Rodecaster Duo, for example, and this is a little bit of a teaser. Yes, I will be making a review on this, but yeah, if you're using a Rodecaster Duo, if you're using the Rodecaster Pro 2 or the original one, then you guys will have the ability to use your oil exciter, your big bottom, your high pass filter, your noise gate, your compressor, all of that. But since it's through XLR, it's just analog audio, it's raw audio. You have to find other third-party plugins to be able to do that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as far as the audio goes, if you guys prefer the XLR version or if you guys prefer the USB version. Alright, you guys, and so the next test that I wanted to show you guys is that you could use the PodMic USB with your phone and also with a tablet with the Rode Reporter app, which you guys are hearing right now. So I have it hooked up going from USB-C to a regular USB, and then I got a USB to Lightning adapter. For some reason, I can't have it work with a regular USB-C to Lightning cable, just the cable alone, like from Apple or from a third-party brand like Anchor or something like that. You have to use this in order for it to work on the iPhone. Not sure why, but yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of what you guys think of the audio. This makes it so much easier and much more flexibility when it comes to portability. If you want to do any voiceover work, if you want to do a podcast on the go, you just need your phone, the cable, and the microphone, and that is basically it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as far as this audio. This is the raw audio that you guys are hearing, as well as you guys have the ability of using the oil exciter, the big bottom, the high pass filter, the compressor, and the noise gate using the Rode Central app. So you guys are going to be hearing that right now. And now you guys are hearing the audio coming directly from the PodMic USB hooked up to my phone, and I used the Rode Central app, and that gave me the ability to enable the high pass filter, the compressor, the noise gate, the oil exciter, and the big bottom. Now my only major concern is that I only have the ability with the Rode Central app to turn on and off those features. I don't have the ability of editing any of it, so I can't edit the sensitivity of the noise gate or the oil exciter, the big bottom, or even the high pass filter. That's the only major complaint that I have. So I think that you need to do all of that first on the laptop or on the computer. I use the Rode Unify, or you could use the Rode Central desktop app, and then maybe it saves onto the microphone itself with some built-in memory saving. I know that some of the other microphones tend to have that, so maybe it has that ability, and then when you use your phone, it already has the saved presets that you've already done, and then you just have the ability of just turning it on and off. I'm not sure if that's how it works. Let me know what you guys think, if that is correct or not. Hey you guys, I just want to point out real quick that I did speak to somebody over at Rode, and they did confirm that this has some type of flash memory. And so what that means is that if you were to do all the adjustments on the Rode Central app on both your computer or your laptop, it does save it onto the microphone itself. So even when you disconnect it and plug it into your phone or your iPad, you still get all the settings that you already did, and it's already in the microphone. So you just turn it on and off. Hopefully later on down the road that they implement in the Rode Central app on the phone and the iPad, that you could do the adjustments right there, not needing an actual computer or a laptop. But yeah, just to let you guys know, now back into the video. Now, the last major audio test that we are doing is with an iPad. So I got my iPad mini right here. I have it hooked up to a USB-C. So a C-to-C cable is all that's needed. You don't need an adapter to go from regular USB to Lightning like you would use on a phone. So hopefully the next iPhone has the ability of having a USB-C port instead of a Lightning port. But yeah, basically with an iPad, I just do a C-to-C cable, and then it works perfectly fine on the Reporter app. The text that you guys can see right here is working. You guys are hearing the audio. This is the raw audio, by the way. So let me know what you guys think of the audio down in the comments below, if it sounds different from the phone compared to an iPad. And again, I could use the Rode Central app to enable all of those other features, and so now you guys are going to be hearing that right now. And so you guys are now hearing the audio with the high pass filter, the noise gate, the compressor, the oil exciter, and the big bottom all enabled. And I'm still using the Rode Reporter app. Now I can't go from the Reporter app to the Central app and just turn it on and off. It doesn't work like that. Once I leave this page, the Reporter app will stop recording. So I have to have this open at all times, just to let you guys know about that. And then again, just to let you guys know, I am monitoring the audio with the headphones. So you still have the ability of monitoring how you sound with headphones with just your iPad or your phone, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Like I said, being on the go, just take your earbuds, take a microphone, take the cable, and take your phone or your iPad, and you are all set to make some high quality audio for both podcasts or just voiceover work. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as far as the audio goes. With all of these tests that we've done so far, I really like the PodMic USB, the amount of flexibility that it offers. So I overall love the PodMic USB. It is definitely an upgrade from the original PodMic, and I'll leave a link down in the description below to the video that I created for the original PodMic. I've been using this for a while. I have 2 of these actually, and so definitely is an upgrade from the original one, and it gives you so much more flexibility on what you want to use this microphone for, being a dynamic microphone and then having it being USB and also XLR. Gives you a lot of flexibility. You could connect it to your computer or your laptop and use the Rode Unify app for streaming. You can use the Rode Connect for podcasting, and you could just record really good audio. And not only that, but then you can also plug it into your phone and your iPad and do on-the-go recording of both voiceover work, videos. You know, you could also do podcasting on the go, and just gives you a lot of flexibility. And then you can have XLR and then hook this up to like a Rodecaster or any other preamp that you want to do, and it just again gives you so much flexibility. And then the audio quality alone is just been amazing, and I truly love this. So I think the $199 price point is well worth all of the flexibility that is offered. So then you have the USB for all the devices, you have XLR if you want analog audio, you also have a headphone output if you want to monitor everything. So this is definitely a no-brainer in comparison. And then it gives you this add-on pop filter, and so having this microphone just gives you a lot of flexibility on what you want to do and not needing to worry about bringing so much stuff, because whatever you have you could definitely use this microphone for, and you will overall get really good audio. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as far as all the audio tests that we tried out. I'm gonna have a link to everything down in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok. As always, Tech HD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!